sometimes my daddy says something dumb to mommy, and the end result is he has to cook dinner for us because he says takeouts are a waste of money. My daddy is a cheapskate, but it is not all bad. Sometimes his cooking turns out well. So today, my daddy made this special omelette.
So what he used is some mushrooms, 3 eggs, some chili, some habanero, some garlic, and some onions.
Oil up the pan.
Throw in the onions, let it sizzle, and give it a stir. Throw in the chopped garlic and more stirring.
Add in the habanero and red chili.
Now it's time for the actual egg. Daddy broke 3 eggs, added in some milk, added in some salt, some of his special Indian chili flakes, and some pepper, and gave it a whisk.
Pour the egg into the pan just now. Arrange the mushrooms neatly.
Make it all nice and cheesy. Let it sit for a while, and once you think it's ready, fold it into half. And that's your delicious daddy style omelette. Thanks for watching.